Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. If budgeting apps could judge us, Firefly 3 would politely stay silent while quietly logging every bad decision. Let's go straight into pricing, starting with Firefly 3. Firefly 3 is completely free and open source. There are no subscriptions, no paid tiers, and no usage limits. You can download the software and run it on your own server, computer, or hosting environment without paying anything for licenses. The only costs involved are optional, such as hosting fees if you choose to run it online, or technical setup time if you manage it yourself. From a pricing standpoint, Firefly 3 is built for users who value ownership and transparency over convenient subscriptions. Now let's compare that with Skrooge pricing. Skrooge is also entirely free and open source. There are no subscription fees, no premium upgrades, and no hidden costs. You can install Skrooge on your local machine and use all features without restrictions. Like Firefly 3, any potential cost comes only from your own hardware or operating system, not from the software itself. From a pure pricing perspective, Firefly 3 and Skrooge are equal. Both deliver full functionality with zero licensing fees, making them appealing to users who want powerful finance tools without recurring costs. Now let's move into Firefly 3 features. Firefly 3 is designed primarily as a personal finance and money management platform rather than business accounting software. It allows users to track income, expenses, budgets, and savings goals with a strong focus on financial awareness. Firefly 3 supports multiple accounts, categories, tags, and currencies, allowing users to organize transactions in detail. One of its standout features is advanced budgeting, where users can create monthly, yearly, or rolling budgets and track actual spending against planned targets. Firefly 3 also includes reporting tools that visualize spending patterns, income trends, and account balances over time. Users can import transactions from banks using CSV files or API integrations, automate recurring transactions, and attach notes or metadata for deeper analysis. The web-based interface allows access from any browser, and role-based permissions make it possible to separate users if needed. Firefly 3 is especially popular among privacy-focused users because all data remains self-hosted and under personal control. Now let's look at the pros and cons of Firefly 3. On the positive side, it is free, privacy-focused, and extremely detailed for personal finance tracking. Budgeting tools are powerful, reporting is flexible, and customization options are extensive. On the downside, Firefly 3 requires technical setup, does not include invoicing or business accounting features, and may feel overwhelming for users who want very simple expense tracking. Still, for individuals who want deep insight into their finances, Firefly 3 is a strong solution. Now let's move into Skrooge features. Skrooge is a personal finance manager built with simplicity, clarity, and speed in mind, making it especially appealing to users who want control over their finances without dealing with complex setups or cloud accounts. It allows users to track income and expenses, manage multiple bank and cash accounts, categorize transactions, and analyze spending behavior through clear charts and detailed reports. Skrooge supports importing bank statements in multiple formats, including common CSV and OFX files, which makes it easy to keep financial data up to date without entering every transaction manually. The interface is clean, desktop-based, and focused on usability, designed for people who prefer a straightforward experience over heavy configuration or advanced technical features. Skrooge includes practical budgeting tools that help users monitor spending habits and understand where money is going over time. Users can create budget categories, compare planned spending against actual results, and quickly spot trends that might otherwise go unnoticed. The software also supports scheduled and recurring transactions, which is useful for tracking regular expenses like rent, utilities, or subscriptions. Forecasting tools allow users to see how current spending patterns may impact future balances, while customizable reports provide insights into cash flow, income distribution, and expense breakdowns. Because Skrooge runs as a native desktop application rather than a web-based system, it works entirely offline once installed, making it ideal for users who value privacy, reliability, and independence from internet access. Now let's look at the pros and cons of Skrooge. On the positive side, Skrooge is easy to install, lightweight, and intuitive, even for users with little to no accounting background. It performs well on modest hardware and starts up quickly, which makes it practical for everyday use. Reporting is clear and visually understandable, and the learning curve is relatively gentle compared to more complex financial tools. On the downside, Skrooge is more limited in customization compared to Firefly 3 and does not offer advanced automation, API access, or multi-user web access. It is primarily designed for individual use, so it may not be suitable for collaborative financial management or complex financial planning scenarios. When it comes to ratings, neither Firefly 3 nor Skrooge has extensive official listings on platforms like Capterra. Because both are open source personal finance tools rather than commercial SaaS products, they may not have formal star ratings available on major review sites. However, both are widely praised within open source, Linux, and personal finance communities. Firefly 3 is often commended for its depth, privacy focus, and powerful budgeting and reporting capabilities, while Skrooge is appreciated for its simplicity, speed, and ease of use. These opinions are based on long-term community feedback and user discussions, rather than official aggregated review scores. Here's the final takeaway. Choose Firefly 3 if you want deep financial insight, advanced budgeting, and full control over your data through self-hosting and detailed configuration. Choose Skrooge if you want a simple, fast, and fully offline personal finance tool that's easy to install and use with minimal setup. Both tools prove that effective financial management doesn't require expensive subscriptions or cloud dependencies. To explore either option for yourself, click the link below to access the software and see which approach fits your financial habits best. And if this comparison helped you make a clearer choice, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment with the next software you'd like to see compared so you never miss another practical and easy to follow finance breakdown.